Today we have an amazing person, my friend Nitya Rangarajan here, and we are beginning this series of interviews where I'm going to invite money motivators and speakers from different fields. So today, let me introduce you with my very good friend, an author, a motivator speaker, and one of the best persons I've ever known, and that is Nitya. So, hello Nitya, welcome to this show, and we are beginning this series. And thank you for being part of it.
Yeah, first of all, thank you so much, Uma, for this opportunity. My mission is to make India the richest nation with empowered families. And my route is through mothers because I believe a mother can create wonderful, empowered families through her time and money legacy. So that's why I created my program also. And I always feel, Uma, mothers, they deserve to be happy, peaceful, without guilt, without stress. Why do we have to go through all these things? Let us address the root cause. So, when my son told that, I asked a series of questions to myself. Why am I like this? No? So, the same thing my grandmother did, my mother did. Even I am doing the same thing. Then it's going to continue in generations. There is no change. Where is that women empowerment? It is just in the books, right? That's it. Or in the newspapers or on the websites. But where is it practically? I'm not doing anything. Even when I have a supportive family, even that also, I had a supportive family, but still I was not doing that.
Not feeling
The
instant,
mindset. Yeah, the
if
mindset.
it's not there.
Yeah. So that was actually preventing me from being a happy mother. So then I decided, then I found out, okay, where all these things are coming from. So I found out I always believe in solving problems, going till the root and then solving the root cause first. So because there is no point in just superficially solving the problem because that will again come. No, the problem will keep coming. So it is always good to analyze the root cause. I went and found out the root cause and I addressed that and I did the mindset shift for myself. It took some years for me, but then I decided that I have to make the mothers happy. I don't want them to see so sad because I see my friends feeling very sad, feeling bad that they are not able to balance their work. So these are some things that disturb me a lot. So that's why I thought, okay, as a mother, I can understand a mother's mindset very well because even I have gone through everything what she had already gone through, and I don't want her to face the same struggles that I faced.
They are using so much time in experimenting. Acha, like this is not working, then let's try this. This not, and you're giving them, ready made. This is the path you have to walk, and I think it's an amazing mission and an amazing legacy that you want to leave. Because we cannot carry anything else. This is all what we can leave. Such a wonderful thing to do. Any experience of a mother that who transformed her life during your this program? When did you start this program? You said like which year you started this program?
I started this in 2023, August 2023. And since 2023, I always think of her mother. She's still there in my community. She is a survivor of a very critical situation. And she's still there with me in my community in the program also. She told me that so she was undergoing a lot of stress and she attended my first webinar, and at the end of the webinar, I didn't know that she was suffering from such a critical condition. And she told, ma'am, I attended so many programs, but the moment you clearly addressed the root cause and told us where the problem was, that stress itself got relieved from my mind. So I felt very happy. I felt so delighted that I was able to serve that mother that day. And she's still with me. I'm so happy for that.